Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill Channel. We're living in a time where AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's transforming the way we work, solve problems, and build businesses. At the heart of this transformation are AI agents, smart systems that can take action, make decisions, and automate tasks with minimal human input. Learning how to build and manage these agents is quickly becoming a must-have skill in the AI era. If you're feeling curious, but also a little overwhelmed, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. This course is designed to guide you step by step through the process of building your own automation workflows and AI agents using n8n, one of the most powerful and flexible automation tools available today. Whether you're looking to automate simple daily tasks, integrate your favorite apps, or create fully customized AI agents for your business, this course has you covered. You'll learn everything from the absolute basics to more advanced workflows, with practical examples, clear explanations, and hands-on projects. I've designed this learning experience to be as helpful and beginner-friendly as possible. With n8n, you can build powerful automations through a simple visual interface, even if you've never written a single line of code. So, why should you learn this now? Because automation is already saving individuals and businesses hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars every month. And by mastering n8n and AI agent building, you'll gain a valuable skill that can boost your productivity, open new career opportunities or even help you launch your own automation service. Throughout the course, if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond. Thank you for joining. I'm excited to go on this journey with you. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the full course playlist. It's organized step by step so you can follow along easily and build your skills as you go. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of n8n and AI automation agents.